Hey everyone, today we'll try to find out the time difference in hours between the two different timing and dates given in the columns A and B. So the trick might be simple, just type in equals to and select the B cell minus the A cell. Press enter and here you can find 1.41 or some odd number. It is not in terms of hours. So how can you calculate in terms of hours, right? So it's really simple. Right click, go to format cells and in here go to custom and just ignore anything which is present here. Eliminate all of that. Type in a square bracket, type H and that represents hours. Now the next one is minutes. Now the next one is seconds if you want it. Press OK and there you go. You have the time difference between the two different dates or timings in terms of hours. We have 33 hours and 57 minutes. Simply drag that formula to all the cells and you have the same time difference between all these cells given. Thank you.